Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be replacing car battery on 2013 Hyundai Veloster. This is gonna apply to Hyundai Velosters made from 2012 and all the way up to 2022. So if you need a change car battery in your Veloster, stay tuned. Car battery in this vehicle is located in engine compartment on the driver's side, and it's right there. To remove this battery, we will have to remove negative terminal and positive terminal, which are secured with 10mm nuts. Also, when that is removed, we will have to remove a battery holder that's secured with a 12mm bolt. So for this job I will be using a ratchet and 10mm socket, preferably for those terminal bolts if you have a deep socket. I don't have a deep one handy, so I'm gonna be using a short one. And then for the battery holder, 12mm socket. And I'm gonna start by removing negative terminal by using 10mm socket. Alright. I'm just gonna remove it, and the next one is a positive terminal. Also I'm using 10mm socket and ratchet. Alright, I'm gonna pull this one up as well. You can just wiggle it a little bit and then pull it up and move it on the side. And now next step is to remove this battery holder, which is secured by the 12mm bolt, and for that I'm using extension on my ratchet, and at the end is 12mm socket. So we'll just go right in there, turn it counterclockwise. Right, and now I'm gonna pull my battery out. And as you can see, I didn't remove that battery holder completely, because I was able to pull out the battery without removing it. And now at this point I'm gonna install a brand new battery. Just gonna place it in the battery tray. I want to make sure this battery holder is aligned there. And now when the battery is sitting nicely in the battery tray, I'm gonna put the positive terminal back on, and then I'm gonna put the negative terminal back on. First I'm gonna secure that battery holder. Make sure battery sits tight in that battery tray. Alright, battery holder is all tight and done. Now I'm gonna just tighten up terminals. So I'm doing positive one first, and now we'll do the negative one. Make sure you don't over tighten that. Needs to be snug tight. And that's it. I installed brand new battery in the vehicle, and it's good to go. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.